Welcome to you all in this online class. Dear student, your first question is what do you mean by the real and nominal head of the government? Actually, real head on the union level in the union government is prime minister and the president is called the nominal head. President is called nominal head because all the administrative decisions are taken in his name. All the constitutional work of the government is carried on his name, right? So, first reason is to say the president, the nominal or constitutional head. Second, he is called nominal because he is not free to do as per his wishes, but he has to accept or he is bound to act according to the advice of Council of Ministers. Right? He cannot ignore the decision taken by Council of Ministers. प्रेसिडेंट फ्री नहीं है कोई डिसीजन लेने के लिए। बहुत सारे मामले में, प्रायः मामलों में वो जो भी सजेशंस आई मीन एडवाइसेस और डिसीजंस काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स के होते हैं, जिसे प्रेसिडेंट के पास सिग्नेचर के लिए भेजा जाता है, कंसेंट के लिए भेजा जाता है, प्रेसिडेंट उनको इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए वो रियल हेड नहीं नॉमिनल हेड कहलाते हैं। I think you have understood. Secondly, Prime Minister is known as the real head because decision taken by the Council of Ministers with the help of Parliament, President cannot ignore. With the help of two houses, whatever the decision is taken by the Prime Minister with his Council of Ministers, this suggestion cannot be ignored by the President. So really, power remains in the hand of Prime Minister. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions? If you have,
Sir,
you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
who is
Sir, what is
cabinet
the
minister?
difference?
Who is cabinet minister? Actually, there are three categories of the ministers: cabinet rank minister, state minister, deputy ministers, minister of independent charge. Actually, cabinet ministers are the ministers who holds very important posts, right? And who is very close of the prime ministers. Is it clear? Cabinet rank minister is the ministers of very important departments, right? And these ministers are very influential and important members of the party as well as the government. Is it clear? So these ministers are called the cabinet minister. There is difference between the ministers of the state and deputy minister and cabinet ministers. Cabinet ministers are the most important part of the Council of Ministers, which consists of ministers who are influential and important members of party or parties in power. Okay, whenever the Prime Minister wants to take decision, he will call only to the cabinet ministers. Important decisions are taken by the cabinet ministers. Now, any other question? Ask me. Any other? Okay. One question you have written, Himani. Sir, a cabinet minister and union council of ministers are the same. Now, I have already given the answer. Union ministers means actually council of ministers are formed by the cabinet minister, minister of, state ministers, deputy minister. These are the categories. And here I have told you the differences between the cabinet minister and council of ministers. Cabinet ministers are the minister of the important, national important, very important departments, portfolios, while council other ministers are the head or the minister of general portfolios. Other ministers cannot take part in the meeting called by the prime minister for important decision, because in such decision only cabinet ministers can take part. Okay. Now any other question if you have? Yes, Adya, you have asked me question. Does prime minister give vote in the election of president? Yes, I have given you an image in my slide showing to show the prime minister where he is casting vote. How? As the general people, as the general MPs or the members of the voters cast vote for the president. Any other question? How means what? As you know, there is an electoral college of which member cast vote to the president. Elected MPs, member of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and elected members of legislative assembly of states cast vote. Since prime minister is the member of parliament, elected member of parliament, so he has also right to cast vote. Is it clear? Now another question. Adya, you have asked me about what is Attorney General. Actually, Attorney General is an important post whose work is to give legal advice to the government in some difficult situation, or whenever government seek or wants to get legal advice from its side, from the such person, right? So Attorney General is a legal officer who represents a country or state in legal proceedings, and his work is to provide lawful. Okay, it was network disruption. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, due to the disconnection of net, it happens. So now next, any other question? You all are free to ask the question. Now next, Adya Aditi, you are frequently asking the question. Thank you. Chief Justice take the place of President or Vice President when there is no Vice President. Yes. Now next question again, Auditor General. Audit करना मतलब क्या होता है? Audit means to add or to keep an account of the expenditure of the government. Actually, the government takes many steps or do the expenditure, expense a large of amount on different schemes. But government has to keep a record, has to keep the receipt or watches, right? Because the government is responsible to give this information to the nation. How much expenses a government has done. So there is an officer or department officer with other junior officials to keep the records by auditing all these expenditures. Is it clear? So Auditor General is an authority which audits all receipts and expenditure of the government of India and state government. Okay. Now again, one question, Chancellor. First of all of you please turn on your video option. पढ़ाने में ये हो सकता है कि आप अटेंडेंस स्नैपशॉट हम ना ले पाए. So please, we will continue, but turn on your video option. Now your question is, meaning of Chancellor. Chancellor means the head of educational departments on the national universities, all the universities, head of all the universities on state level, that is called Chancellor. Head of the universities, university means the head office of the colleges, and the head of the university, all the universities, is known as Chancellor on state level. Here Chancellor, there is a Vice Chancellor in university. University head is Vice Chancellor, and the head of all the universities is known as Chancellor. On state level, Governor is known as the Chancellor, right? And President, Vice President is the Chancellor of national universities or central universities, right? Next is other question. Next, Archit Gaurav has asked the question. Union government of ministers are appointed by the president on the advice of PM or council of ministers. Very good question. Now, my dear student, you should learn the council of minister and prime minister is not separated with each other. Prime minister is a part of council of ministers, right? So Prime Minister prepares the list of council of ministers and it is sent before the president for approval. After that, they are added in the government. Please, all of you, turn on your video option. No one has turned on. Let me to take the snapshot. Yes, और कोई क्वेश्चन है आप पूछिए. Yes, one question, Himani. In Lok Sabha, the speaker can preside over the prime minister. Actually, 1 minute, listen. Actually, when the session is on, only speaker can preside over the meeting. Prime minister is entitled to preside over the meeting of his council of ministers. When prime minister has to give answer to the parliamentarians in the parliament, when he is in parliament, whatever he has to say, he will address to the speaker. So, speaker has the right to preside over the meeting of the Lok Sabha. Now, next question. What is an ex officio? Right? Actually, an ex officio is a post in which a person who holds a different post is entitled to lead the certain.
Sir, voice is not audible.
Respective posts. For example, Vice President is an ex officio chairman of राज्य सभा. अब इसका मतलब है कि राज्यसभा जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट होंगे वही राज्यसभा के चेयरमैन होंगे. यानी यह व्यक्ति क्या होता है, 2 पोस्ट एक साथ होल्ड करते हैं. तो ऐसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रूल है कि whoever will be the vice president will automatically will be in the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Now next, any other question? और है आपके पास? हाँ, बोलते तुम लोग नहीं हो लेकिन चैट बॉक्स में सब लिखते हो. हाँ. Is it necessary that all the members of the Union Council of Ministers belong to the ruling party or alliance? Yes, very good question. If the government is a coalition government, I mean formed by the alliances, then the minister can be from other parties. But if the government is formed by a single majority party, then only the member of majority party can be the ministers. Okay, Himani? Now next question, if you have, पूछो जितना. Now one of you have asked me how many groups of the minister. Actually, basically main three groups है. एक है कैबिनेट, दूसरा है स्टेट मिनिस्टर्स, तीसरा है डिप्टी मिनिस्टर्स. ऐसे एक और होता है मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज. यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Yes, please explain emergency power of the president. Actually, it is a very important power of a president. And this type of emergency rule is implemented when the government fails to control country or govern the country due to some reasons. Right? When in general way, government fails to control or run the system properly, then in such case, proper action is taken as per the constitution by the president. And whole country is run by the president under the strict vigilance of the president. Right? And you know, there are three circumstances when emergency power is implemented. These are national emergency, when country is at the verge of war or any internal most dangerous condition or rebellions. Second is breakdown of constitutional machineries. Suppose government fails to run the state as per the constitution, and it is unbearable by unbearable to the people. In such case, also emergency rule can be implemented. Right? Next is what? Financial crisis. Suppose if economically country is going into predicament situation or in very tough condition where everything is going to, I mean, economic structure is going to be failed. So to save the country from such conditions, president can implement the rule. Now, these are the limits. Now, Abhinav Ranjan, internal rebellions. I mean, suppose any major group of people starts revolt against the system to overthrow, right? And in general way, for Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, it is difficult to pacify it. Then President can implement the emergency rule. Yes, B.B. Giri was the president. Yes, next, coalition government, how power is divided in different parties. Actually, when any party merge into the bigger party to form the coalition government, they made some uh, adjustment. They compromise with each other on some conditions, and as per their conditions, portfolios are divided or distributed among the ministers. It is your question, Arya Aditi. Archit Gaurav, your question is, what is Comptroller and Auditor General? Just now I have explained. Actually, is an authority which audits all the receipts and expenditure of the government of India and the state government. As I have already said, government expenses a huge amount on different schemes, programs, or in all the reference to run the system. But government has to give the information to the nation, to the parliament. So there is need to write a list of all the expenses, all the receipts, and what else must be mentioned, must be kept up to date. And this work is done by this officer. आदि अभी तो हमने बताया आपको कैबिनेट और काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स में क्या अंतर है. अभी आप सुनोगे. आज मैं फिर यूट्यूब वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा, आप उसको देखोगे. Yes, Himani, you have told me, you have asked, during emergency power also, the president is bound to accept the advice of the president. Actually, president rule is implemented on the advice of the prime minister, right? But once it is implemented, president remains free till the fresh election. Emoluments means something that is given to a person in return of his or her service, like salary, fee, profit from employment or offices. It means emoluments. What are the conditions to become a prime minister? Do you want to be a prime minister? You are very eager to know. Yes, my dear, you have to say, yes, I want to be when I will be 25 years old. Okay, now, very good question. You should learn. Actually, prime minister's condition qualifications are such. He or she must be the member of parliament, and main qualification is what? Main urgent need is what? He must be the leader of the majority party, right? He or she must be the leader of majority party. For example, nowadays, Narendra Modi, Sri Narendra Modi is the prime minister. He belongs to BJP. There are so many leaders in BJP. Why others have not become the prime minister? Because except Narendra Modi, no one is the leader of party, or no one is the party leader of BJP. The BJP party has declared the name of Narendra Modi as the leader of BJP. And as per the constitutional rule, the leader of majority party can be appointed as prime minister by the president. फिर क्वेश्चन पूछते हो अध्ययन, who is, क्या पूछते हैं, who is greater, I mean prime minister or president? In a real way, prime minister is greater, but constitutionally, president is greater. I mean, first, Why Ramnath Kovind has been chosen as president? Actually, he possesses all the qualification to be the president, and in election he contested. He won the election. That is why he was chosen. Yes, president have to follow the advice of prime minister in any case. I mean, next, what is money bill? Money bill is a bill which is related with all the expenses, right, or income of the governments. Why it is necessary that leader will only be the prime minister. Very good. Majority party leader must be the leader. I mean prime minister. Why? It is why because such person represents the choices of the nation. Majority party means the maximum people of country had chosen their leader of majority party. I mean, majority party leader means those leaders who are chosen on the by the maximum people of our country. And it is why in democracy it is right to such party or leaders to be the prime minister or to form the government so that he can fulfill the wishes, needs and requirements of the people. Next question. Which one is more powerful, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha? Actually, Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha, right? Because of some reasons. First, money bill is only introduced in Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha has no right to, in Rajya Sabha, it cannot be introduced. So much important bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. First, it is important. Second, in case of voting in joint meeting, Lok Sabha proves more powerful because of its strength. As you know, the strength of Lok Sabha is more than the Rajya Sabha. Next, the bill passed by Lok Sabha generally, money bill passed by the Lok Sabha cannot be ignored by Rajya Sabha. आप एक बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं अध्ययन कि सर टुडे इज नो टेस्ट. Really, there is no test. I had come here to revise the chapter, but you have taken today full class for the general discussion. I am very happy that I am trying my best to satisfy. You are free to ask the questions. What will happen if the president does not follow prime minister? He will be removed by the parliament, by the impeachment. सेकेंड एक्चुअली सेकेंड प्रेफरेंस वोट होता है बेटे कि in president election voting is done on preference level. I mean four candidates, if four candidates are contesting election, one person can give the vote as per their preference. किसी को ज्यादा किसी को कम ऐसे करने का राइट होता है तो उनको प्रेफरेंस होता है. यस, वेयर यू विल टेक टेस्ट, वही टेस्ट बाद में लेंगे, अभी तो टेस्ट नहीं लेंगे, कल तो लिया ही था। नेक्स्ट क्वालिफिकेशन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर। काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स मेन क्वालिफिकेशन इज व्हाट? ही शुड बी citizen of India. He must be a parliamentarian, I mean member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and he is capable to hold the post in the eyes of Prime Minister. Yes, the member of Rajya Sabha, number of member of Rajya Sabha from each state is fixed. Yes, next. Any other question? Should I start the revision? Which position comes after President and Prime Minister? Okay. Home Minister, you can say. Now, will you allow me to revise, or if any question you have, you can ask. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन माइजर मत बनिए। टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो ऑप्शन। आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पता नहीं, 1 मिनट के बाद खत्म हो जाएगा ये, नहीं 20 मिनट से।